1. Describe Lencho's faith in God. Lencho had complete and firm faith in God. When his crops were destroyed by hail, he did not lose hope. He believed that God sees everything and would surely help him. His strong faith made him write a letter asking God for money to replant his field. 2. How did the hailstorm affect Lencho and his family? The hailstorm destroyed all of Lencho's crops completely. The cornfield looked white as if covered with salt. Lencho became sad and hopeless because his family would have to starve that year. It was a big loss for the poor farmer. 3. Why did Lencho write a letter to God? After the hailstorm, Lencho had nothing left to eat or sell. He was full of faith that God would help him. So, he wrote a letter to God asking for 100 pesos to sow his field again and feed his family until the next harvest. 4. How did the postmaster help Lencho? The postmaster was touched by Lencho's faith. He decided to help him by collecting money from his employees and adding some of his own salary. In total, he sent 70 pesos to Lencho in an envelope signed, God. This showed his kindness and humanity. 5. Why did Lencho call the post office employees a bunch of crooks? Lencho had asked for 100 pesos but received only 70. He thought God had sent him the full amount and believed the post office employees had stolen the remaining 30 pesos. Out of misunderstanding, he called them a bunch of crooks. 6. How does the story show both faith and human kindness? The story shows faith through Lencho's trust in God and kindness through the postmaster's actions. Lencho believed God would help him, while the postmaster and his staff showed generosity by collecting money for him. It proves that faith and goodness still exist among people. 7. What is the irony in the story, a letter to God? The irony is that Lencho's unshakable faith in God made him distrust the very people who helped him. The postmaster's kind act was misunderstood. Readers know the truth, but Lencho does not. This makes the story deeply ironic and emotional. 8. Describe the character of Lencho in brief. Lencho is a simple, honest, and hardworking farmer. He has deep faith in God and believes that God helps people in need. Even after losing everything, he did not give up hope. His innocence and trust make him a memorable and touching character. 9. How did the postmaster react after reading Lencho's letter? At first, the postmaster laughed at the idea of a letter addressed to God. But soon, he was moved by Lencho's strong faith. He decided to answer the letter and send some money to keep Lencho's faith alive. This generous and kind nature. 10. What moral lesson does the story teach? The story teaches us to have faith in God and be kind to others. It shows that goodness and generosity make the world a better place. It also reminds us that blind faith without understanding can sometimes lead to misunderstanding. 11. What did Lencho compare the raindrops to? Why? Lencho compared the raindrops to new coins. The big drops were like 10-cent pieces and the small drops like 5-cent pieces. He did this because the rain meant prosperity and money for his family's future harvest. 12. Why did Lencho not suspect God but doubt the post office employees? Lencho's faith in God was absolute. He believed God could never make a mistake. When he got less money, he thought the post office employees must have stolen the rest. His innocent belief made him trust God but doubt humans. 13. What does the story reveal about human nature? The story reveals two sides of human nature: the faith and innocence of Lencho and the kindness and generosity of the postmaster. It shows that humans can be both deeply believing and deeply compassionate. 14. What role does nature play in Lencho's life? Nature gives Lencho both hope and pain. The rain first brings joy and promise of a good harvest, but soon turns into a destructive hailstorm that ruins everything. It shows how nature can be both a friend and an enemy to humans. 15. Write a short note on the ending of the story. The story ends with irony and emotion. Lencho, who was helped by kind people, misunderstood them as thieves. His faith in God remained strong, but his trust in humans broke. The ending highlights the innocence of Lencho and the beauty of faith.